To use Afterpay on Uber Eats. Start by opening the Uber Eats app and selecting your location. Browse through the available restaurants and add your desired food items to the cart. When you are ready to check out, tap on the View Cart button. On the checkout page, you will see the total cost of your order and the available payment options. Tap on the Add Payment Method option and select Afterpay from the list of available payment methods. If you already have an Afterpay account, sign in with your login credentials. If not, create a new account by providing the required information. Once you have selected Afterpay as your payment method, you will be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete the payment. Review the payment schedule and terms. Then confirm your payment. Afterpay will split your payment into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. After confirming your payment, you will be redirected back to the Uber Eats app. Review your order summary and make sure everything is correct. Then tap on the Place Order button to complete your purchase. You will receive a confirmation email from Uber Eats and Afterpay with the details of your order and payment schedule. It is essential to note that Afterpay has a limit on the amount you can spend, and you need to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. Make sure to check your Afterpay account regularly to stay on top of your payments. By following these steps, you can easily use Afterpay on Uber Eats and enjoy your favorite food without having to pay the full amount up front.